In this video, we create a floating action button and we add an glitch event for it. Create a new project and name it floating action button. First, make sure to add this line of code in your build.gradle file. Now go to our activity and change container to a linear layout, to a relative layout, and add a floating action button control. Set its ID, and we want it to be at the bottom and at the right of our screen. So we use align parent int to true and align parent bottom to true. And we add 16 margin to int and 16 margin to bottom. We use a source property to set its icon. We want to add a plus icon to it. And we use a tint to set this icon color. We have to use a app tint instead of Android tint. And we set it to white. We can use background tint to set the fab background color. We can use fab size and set it to mini, O2 or normal. We use normal here. We can use fab custom size and set it to a size we want. The default is 54 dp and here we set it to 66 dp. And we can use max image size to set the icon size. The default is 24 dp. Now we set it to 40 dp. Next, go to main activity and add a reference to or get a reference of our fab. Now we use set on glitch listener and create an glitch event for our fab, and whenever user glitches on this fab, a toast show to him. Now run the app. Here is our floating action button, and when user clicks on it, a toast will show. Thank you for watching.